Hello students, today we will be discussing the chapter From Tasting to Digesting Part 2, Chapter 3, Class 5 EVS. Just before discussing the new topics, let's recall what all things we have learned in Part 1. The journey of food in our body starts from the mouth. Teeth help us to bite, tear, chew or grind food. Saliva is a thick colorless fluid in the mouth secreted by salivary glands, providing lubrication for chewing, swallowing, and helping in digestion. Tongue helps in tasting, chewing, and swallowing food. It also helps in removing food particles from teeth and gums. It also used in speech and the formation of sound. Tiny bumps on the surface of our tongue are called taste buds, which help us to taste the food we eat. We have four basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The sense of smell and taste are related to each other. In today's video, we will be discussing what is digestion, path of food in the digestive system, importance of water and roughage in the human body, glucose and its functions, digestion in the stomach, balanced diet and good health, proper food, every child's right. What is digestion? Digestion is the process by which the food is broken down into simpler form so that it can be absorbed and used by our body. The digestive system. The function of the digestive system is the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. The digestive tract is a continuous tube with two openings, the mouth and the anus. It includes the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine. We all know that the digestion of food that begins from the mouth. The digested food from the mouth that enters into the stomach through the food pipe. The food pipe is also known as esophagus. With the help of the muscular movement of the stomach and the digestive juices produced in it, the digestion of food takes place further. The digested food from the stomach that enters into the small intestine. And in the small intestine, with the help of digestive juices, the complete digestion of food takes place. The nutrients present in the digested food that enters into the blood through the walls of the small intestine. The undigested food that enters into the large intestine. And through anus, it comes out of the body. Now let's see the location and the functions of stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The functions of stomach are temporary storage for food, which passes from the food pipe to the stomach, where it is held for 2 hours or longer. Mixing and breaking down of food by contraction and relaxation of the muscle layers in the stomach. Digestion of food takes place with the help of digestive juices produced by the stomach. The liver. The liver is the largest organ that is located on the right side of the upper abdomen. The main function of the liver is to filter the blood coming out from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. It removes chemicals from our body. During the process of digestion, the liver breaks down the fats in the small intestine with the help of bile juice, which is a digestive juice produced in it. Let's see the flow chart showing the journey of food. The journey of food that starts from the mouth. The partially digested food from the mouth enters into the stomach through food pipe. Here, further digestion of food takes place. The digested food that enters into the small intestine. Here, the complete digestion of food takes place with the help of digestive juices produced in it. The nutrients from the food enters into the blood and the undigested food that enters into the large intestine. In the large intestine, water absorption takes place. The undigested solid waste materials that comes out of the body through the anus. The anus is the opening of large intestine. Now let's see the rules of good digestion. What are things we should practice in our daily life so that the process of digestion will be easier and faster? Eat clean and fresh food. Eat a balanced diet. Eat your meals at fixed times. Chew the food well before swallowing it. Keep your mouth closed while chewing food so that you do not have to swallow air along with your food. Do not overeat. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth before and after each meal. Now, let's see the importance of water in our body. It helps to regulate our body temperature. Our body loses water through breathing, sweating, and digestion. So, drinking water and eating food that contain water help to rehydrate our body. Our eyes, nose, and mouth can be prevented from feeling dry. Water helps to remove waste materials from our body. It makes the digestion process easier. We should include roughage containing food in our diet because it plays a very important role in the process of digestion. Roughage is the fibrous matter in food which cannot be digested. It has no nutritional value, but it provides bulk to the food, keeps the food and waste matter moving along the food tract, and helps to prevent constipation. The main sources of roughage are salad, vegetables, skin of fruits, whole grains, and pulses. For keeping ourselves healthy, we should have a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains a variety of different types of food which provide right amount of all the nutrients along with roughage and water necessary for our good health. Food pyramid. What is a food pyramid? Typically, children need healthy and balanced food to complement their growing bodies. Balanced diet includes proportionate amounts of food belonging to certain specific but basic food groups such as vegetables, grains, and so on. To make things easier with respect to understanding balanced diet, a food pyramid is used. It is a pyramid-shaped illustration that gives you a pictorial view of the various food items and their appropriate proportions that children must eat. In simple terms, it is a food chart that gives you details about the required amounts of fats, vitamins and minerals, proteins and carbohydrates. The topmost portion is tapering and indicates food items that must be consumed in small quantities. The lowermost broad portion of the pyramid indicates food items that can be consumed in large quantities. Top tapering layer consists of food and drinks high in fat, sugar, and salt. Second layer consists of body-building food such as meat, fish, eggs, milk, curd, and other dairy products. Third layer consists of protective food such as seasonal vegetables and fruits. Fourth layer consists of energy-giving food such as cereals, bread, etc. Along with a balanced diet, regular exercise is essential for remaining healthy. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. Inadequate sleep will result in improper functioning of body organs and can make you fall sick. Now let's see what all things we have discussed in today's class. In this chapter, we have learned digestion is the process by which the food is broken down to simpler form so that it can be absorbed and used by our body. The journey of food in the digestive system, that also we have learned. Balanced diet is a diet that contains a variety of different types of food which provide right amount of all the nutrients along with roughage and water necessary for good health. The importance of including water and roughage in our diet. Along with a balanced diet, regular exercise is essential for remaining healthy. Remember, a strong and healthy body is the best prevention against disease. Eating a balanced diet, doing regular exercise, and getting enough rest will keep you fit and healthy. Good health is life's most valuable gift. Always try to maintain it. With this, we come to the end of the chapter from tasting to digesting. Thank you, dear children.